equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools. You'll need a heat gun, a suction cup, and a plastic spudger. First, apply heat around the edges of the screen. This softens the adhesive. Next, use the suction cup to lift the screen slightly. Insert the spudger to carefully pry it open. Be gentle to avoid damaging the internals. Once the screen is loose, disconnect the display cable. This is crucial for a clean removal. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any dust or damage. A clean interior can improve performance. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle it for you. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Before you proceed with any repairs, always get a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs up front. Now, you're ready to replace or repair your Surface Pro 5 screen with confidence. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.